Hey, I'm back. New build, 1944, sedan delivery. Who's it going to be for? Stay tuned. Welcome back, Frank and Carrie's Adventures. Got a new build. Been on the phone. I'm feeling a lot better. I want to thank everybody for their comments on yesterday's video, and it uplifted me, it helped me. I also was on a phone to a good friend of mine that has a channel here. Just want to tell everybody a great big thank you, and for the new friends that has came over, Jim and Jessica over there at Green Dream Project. Greatly appreciate them too. And Jessica, don't worry about it. Not talking in a video. My wife's the same way. Miss Carrie's the same way. She's a shy person, doesn't like the video camera that much. So, on to the next build. Gonna be right there. 1944 sedan delivery. Who's it gonna be for? It's gonna be for Kevin over at Hope This Works and his other channel, Makin Sawdust. I'll have the links to his channels below in the description, and I'll also have a tag at the end of the video, probably to his new channel, Makin Sawdust, so make sure you go over and check him out. Subscribe to his channel. He does wonderful woodworking. So let's get this baby open, see what we got. Alright, there's the clear, there's the window, rear window, headlights, tail lights, and that stuff. We got tires. Got skinny tires, looks like some slicks, and the middle axles. We got chrome. So, here's what the chrome looks like. Chrome rally wheels, trim rings, exhaust, the bumpers, everything. Here's the part with the motors, rear door, dash, hood. This looks like basically the same model that was sent to me, that was by one of the subscribers here, but it didn't come in a box. It just all came in parts in a box, pieces missing. This one's a full kit. There's the seats, the engine, frame, radiator. There's the body. Looks all in good detail. More of the body there. Card to round2models.com. A little booklet that shows some of their models. And we got decals. Show you what the decals look like here. There's what the decals look like. Probably end up using some of those. You know me, I'm going to be making some of my own decals, especially for his channels. And you got the instructions. You got two different ways to do the motor. You can have a blower or the old style motor. More than likely, we're going to go with the blower on this one, because Kevin likes the hot rods. While I was on the phone with Kevin, I told him I was going to build this for him, and he asked me, I asked him what color he would like, and he said something in black. So, with that said, I went and picked up a brand new can of Perfect Match. I don't know if you can read the name on there, but it is called a Brilliant Black Pearl. And I hope this turns out as beautiful as the white pearl did on the model that I built that's right, where is it? Right over here. In that case, the white one. So that's what's in the box. That's who it's going to be for. Tomorrow's video is going to be something a little different. I'm actually going to show you out in the yard and talk to you a little bit about that and what's going to go on there and how much snow's left. Then the day after that, I'm going to show how to take your paint out of this can and put it in a bottle so you can run it in your airbrush. Very simple. There's other videos out there, but there's one problem that I found in each one of those, and I'll talk to you more on that video. So I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, and we'll get building on this, and we'll take you along. And I hope you stick around. Hope you enjoy the channel. We'll catch you on the next one. Here's some suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area, over here somewhere. Just watch it for in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.